All right, everybody, and welcome to Clumsy Clairvoyance. Thank you for being here. This is going to be an unboxing vid today. This is the new Guardian of the Night Tarot by MJ Colian. Sorry if I'm butchering that name. All right, please take a minute to also like and subscribe. If this is your first time being here, welcome. And if it's not, welcome back. All right, so let's get into the deck. All right, plastic is off. Now, the first rule I always have for a new deck is to make sure you have either some sage burning, an incense, maybe some black salt. I actually happen to have some black salt around, so anything like that to cleanse your deck when you first get it, clear out the energy, just because it's been coming in the mail, people have been handling it, etc. And just to keep the intention clear. Nice box, by the way. Without darkness, there is no light. I really love that. Nice hard box, by the way, guys. Let's take a look inside. Oops. We got actually a very nice, look at that. That's a fairly thick little guidebook. Very nice indeed. Let's see how many pages. We have 163. Looks like it is in black and white. However, still a really nice guide. Nice and thick. All right, so let's dive into the cards, y'all. Oh, wait, before we do that, like I said, if you do happen to have some incense, some sage around, if you absolutely have nothing, you can actually use regular salt as well, okay? Or just knock on the deck extremely hard. Anything to clear out those intentions. All right, so I just covered it in a tiny bit of black salt. That's all you need. Just to wipe away any negativity or any other influence. So let's dig into the cards. Very quickly, this is an animal deck, as many of you may or may not know. Here is the back, which I absolutely love the back with the moon and the little honeybees and the little foliage. I very much like it. So we'll start with the Fool, and we'll just go through one by one. The Fool. Very nice matte cards too. The Magician. The High Priestess. The Empress. The Emperor. Beautiful. The Hierophant. The Lovers. Chariot. Strength. Ooh, we got the snake. Snake in the mouth. Nice and creepy. And the heart. Ooh, very cool. The Hermit. Interesting indeed. The Wheel of Fortune. Justice. The Hangman. Death, very cool. Temperance. The Devil. The Tower. The Star. The Moon. The Sun. Judgment. beautiful, the world. All right, now let's get into the minors and start with the wands. All right, now the cups. Now for the swords. Now lastly, the Pentacles. All right. And that is the completion of the Guardian of the Night Tarot.